Hi guys, welcome to fresh episodes of Mom's Life and my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Things have changed a little bit after having two kids. So hereafter, I thought to show you all some cleaning motivations, cooking, grocery haul, and a mom's day-to-day life. I really hope you find this helpful. So I love you to subscribe to my channel. I love cleaning, especially having two kids in home. It's really hard to maintain. But I never give up. As a mom, I have to provide a clean and hygiene place for my kids. So today I'll be showing you how my morning begins and goes. So freshly get started with the breakfast. So I thought to make some fresh hoppers. And the quick, yummiest breakfast is done. And after the breakfast, I quickly ran to my kids and spent some more quality time with them. As I mentioned earlier, I have two kids. The elder one is nearly 2 years, and the younger, a little baby girl. After I done my laundry, I quickly step into the lunch preparations. So I thought to make a veg pulao with a mutton gravy. For the detailed recipes, if you need, I will provide in my description box. You can find the link on that. It is a very simple veg pulao. Soak 2 cups of basmati rice for about 30 minutes and then add some green peas, carrots, whatever vegetables you wish to add. For mutton gravy, take 1 large onion sliced and 1 large tomato. Slice them and keep aside. For a detailed recipe, check my description box for the link. Meanwhile, check the rice and keep it simmer for about 10 minutes. Next, I thought to make a potato fry, but unfortunately, I don't have much potatoes. And then I found some sweet potatoes leftovers in my kitchen. So add some of that into the potatoes and make it together. And let's see how it goes. Chop it all. Heat the pan, add all the chopped vegetables. Add some salt, some turmeric powder, and a pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. And add some oil. Give it a quick mix. Keep the flame in low to avoid the bottom catchiness. Then add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Close the lid and cook for about 10 minutes in a medium flame. Let's check it out, the mutton gravy. And it's almost done. Switch off the flame. And then add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And the gravy is done. That's for today's video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. If so, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. For more updates, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.